everyone! Welcome back to Knowledge Chronicle. Today we are diving deep into one of the most important systems of our body, the human excretory system. Ever wondered how our body removes waste? What role do our kidneys play? Well, stick around because we are about to uncover every detail in an exciting and simple way. Let's get started. Our body constantly produces waste as a result of metabolic activities. If these wastes accumulate, they can be toxic. That's why we have an efficient excretory system to eliminate them. In humans, the excretory system is made up of 4 main components: a pair of kidneys, the filtration units, a pair of ureters, the transport channels, the urinary bladder, the storage unit, and the urethra, the exit pathway. The kidneys are the most important organs of our excretory system. These reddish-brown, bean-shaped structures are located on either side of the spine, between the last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. Each kidney measures around 10 to 12 centimeters in length, 5 to 7 centimeters in width, and 2 to 3 centimeters in thickness, weighing about 120 to 170 grams. Pretty small, right? But don't be fooled. These tiny organs filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day. At the center of each kidney, there's a small notch called the hilum. It's like the doorway where blood vessels, nerves, and the ureter enter or leave the kidney. Did you know that each kidney contains around 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons? These nephrons are the reason our body is able to remove harmful substances and maintain balance. Each nephron has 2 main parts. First, the glomerulus, a tuft of tiny blood capillaries where filtration takes place. Blood enters through an afferent arteriole and leaves through an efferent arteriole. Second, the renal tubule. This is where the filtered substances travel and urine formation happens. Some nephrons have a long Henle's loop that extends deep into the medulla. These are called juxtamedullary nephrons. Others, with shorter loops, are called cortical nephrons. Now comes the most interesting part. How does our body make urine? It happens in 3 steps. First, glomerular filtration. Blood is filtered in the glomerulus, separating waste from useful substances. Second, tubular reabsorption. Essential nutrients and water are reabsorbed back into the blood from the renal tubule. Third, tubular secretion. Additional waste substances are added to the filtrate, which finally turns into urine. This freshly formed urine then moves through the ureters into the urinary bladder, where it is stored until it is eliminated through the urethra. Surrounding the nephron is a fine network of peritubular capillaries, which help in reabsorption and secretion. Some of these capillaries form a U-shaped structure called the vasa recta, which plays a crucial role in maintaining water balance. Before we wrap up, here are some mind-blowing facts. First, your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every day. Second, we produce about 1.5 liters of urine daily. Third, if all the nephrons in your kidneys were stretched out, they would cover nearly 80 kilometers. Fourth, even if you lose one kidney, the other can still handle all the work. Amazing, right? Our kidneys are true lifesavers. That's it for today's episode on the human excretory system. We hope you found this information useful and engaging. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Drop a comment below and tell us, did you know your kidneys work this hard? See you in the next episode.